Welcome to sunny Venice, Florida, where you can live the Florida lifestyle in a home with no HOA, no CDD, and your own private pool. You are going to want to see this one. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has over 1,600 square feet of living space on nearly a quarter acre, right here in the heart of Venice East, one of the area's most laid-back and loved neighborhoods. It's been thoughtfully updated with a newer roof, resurfaced pool, and a fresh screen lanai that's perfect for Florida evenings outdoors. Inside, the layout feels open and bright with space to gather, cook, relax, and just live comfortably. Out back, you have your own private oasis, so enjoy your pool year-round, included with an awning for shade. So whether it's your morning coffee by the pool or a sunset swim, this is what Florida living is all about. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle. Just minutes from Welland Park, golf, beaches, and historic downtown Venice, it is everything that you love about Florida. So call me today for your own private tour.